In this video, I'm going to cover how to create a route from within Voyage Optimization X. So firstly, I open the Voyage Planning and Optimization menu and then click on Create New Route. Give the voyage a title and then start on the port search. Now the port search requires at least 3 characters before it can search. In this case, I'm going to enter the full name and pick the port. The destination, I'm just going to show what happens when we type less characters. So we have 3 characters here and we get quite a lot of matches, but the port that I'm looking for is not there. So I'm just going to add the rest of the name and click enter, and now my port is in the list. Allowed areas is for things like canals and so on. I'm going to come back to them in a little bit. Avoid areas covers how far away we want to sail from the Somali coast, and in this case I'm going to pick 400 to 500 nautical miles. Moving down, we can either pick Great Circle or Rumbline. So I'm going to pick Great Circle and change my interval. I'm not going to select a second avoidance value at the moment, and I'll come back to that in a little bit as well. So let's create route. Now this is going to generate us a route around Africa and then up to Norway. So we know that we can change this to go through Suez, and I also want to look at the SECA zone avoidance up here. So how we change that is we click edit and we can go up to our allowed areas, go down to Suez and click select. We've also got the ability to select all canals and straits in here if you click on that. But for now, let's just click on Suez. And then let's modify the SECA zones, because at the moment we're travelling within SECA zones for over 300 nautical miles. So let's change that to a high number. So the algorithm will then reroute as much as possible to reduce the SECA distance. So let's click generate. Now this will change the route entirely and come up through the Mediterranean. So it's a considerably shorter route, and also we've now changed our SECA distance from over 300 miles to 4 nautical miles. And it's possible to continue to click the edit button and change your settings until you have a route that you want. And then from then you click on next and just continue through the standard planning and optimization process. And that's how we create a route within Voyage Optimization X.